Greens 1-0, how's everyone doing? As you can see, it's not a friendly day out. So I'm at the park again doing a couple vids and going to show you a new product I just picked up. Alrighty, so this is it. It's a windscreen, and of course I got a little excited when I got it home, and I accidentally cut into it. So I'm going to fix this with some duct tape because I'm a freaking moron. Got a little excited and just sliced right into it. Yeah, not smart. Okay, so all taped up, which I'm going to leave on there as a reminder. Don't be a dumbass. So here she is. So you're probably thinking, holy crap, dude, that thing is huge. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's this thing is 2.2 pounds. And you know, just because I've been doing this YouTube thing a long time, I kind of already predict what you're gonna say. And you know, I gotta say this. I mean, it's big and all, and it's, you know, it's a bit heavy, but you gotta think about, you know, how you're gonna use it. You know, you're probably not gonna backpack this because of its size. I think it's 12 inches. I forgot to bring a tape measure. I even reminded myself and still forgot. But you know, if you're going to be car camping with this, I think it would be fine because, you know, you don't have to worry about weight then. And when I was out in the woods with, when I made my dollar store fire, I could have easily had put this around the campfire to shield off the wind. Alright, so I'm just getting some mocha going. As you can see, you know, I've got the tall canister, and you know, plus the kettle, providing, you know, a good amount of protection from the wind, as you can see. So, oh, I think I have boil already. No, it's just steaming up. It's actually a pretty chilly day today. It's June. There's a company name, if you can see that. I have some lighting issues. It's really gray out. Let me get the boil. Alright, kind of go over some stats here. So, there's 8 of these panels going around. As you can see, you know, big enough to clear even a tall canister. Downside, 2.2 pounds. I mean, you know, if you're just out car camping, you know, you can have vehicles, so it doesn't really matter how much it weighs. And, by the way, this is a small one. I'm going to link their website below. They have 4 sizes, and this is the littlest one they have. But I asked for the small one, and they said, yeah, no problem. So it's galvanized steel. I forgot I was going to write down the measurements, but I thought, oh, I'll just bring a tape measure so you guys can see me measure it and show you. But I forgot to bring a tape measure, so excuse me. Yeah. So the price of this is $28.99, which I don't think is too bad. Not really. They offer free shipping, and they offer also 180 days of free returns as well. So for some reason, you know, like if something goes wrong or maybe a panel falls off, which I can't see happening, but or you just don't like it, you get 180 days to return it. And I was looking at their website, and they've got a few things on there that I actually really like and probably will end up getting at some point. Delicious. So I guarantee you that I'm going to be out in the woods with this, you know, when it's not dumping rain. I'm going to be out in the woods. I'm going to put this around a small fire because I think it would be great for that. It would be great around the try one tiger stove I just got. I just uploaded that video today, so. Alright, well, so this will be the initial review, or initial video, and then as I get it out in the woods and, you know, we can use it a little bit more, you'll definitely be seeing it at some point. I'm actually going to be doing a cooking video today too, and I'm going to use it for that as well, so. Alright, well, thanks for watching as always. We'll catch you in the next one. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to do my best to answer them. And I will link the description for their website. Go give them a look. I've already got at least 2 things on there I want to get, so at some point. As always, cheers. Stay dry out there and stay safe and warm. Delicious. Peace. Okay, so one thing I wanted to mention too is when this thing packs down, you can store it away in its own stuff sack, like I said, or a pouch. But there's also room in there for a small cutting board, if that's what you wanted to roll with. And you know, while you're prepping your ingredients, you can be, you know, you have a nice solid work surface to work on. If I could get it, you in range. So you have a nice work surface to work on. And I wouldn't put it out of the realm of possibilities. You could put 4 steaks in and actually set this up as a little table too. So, you know, more than just one application.